Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to duplicate any block in Minecraft Bedrock 1.21.92 on your PC. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tech tips. Let's jump right in.
When I'm blue, I think of you in your eyes, how they look at mine, so kinda like that. You slow down time and everything's just fine. I was ocean swimming with just wishful thinking of my life, the vision drifting by, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon of bright stars. How did life go wandering far, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, guiding me out the When I'm scared, I send a flare and you're here in a flash. When I ask, oh dear love, where did we come from? You say that like the sun. I had the will and mission, but the wrong position. I was hoping, praying for a sign, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon